Guys, it's me again. Tonight we're gonna draw cream and cheese from Sonic X. If you must know, these two came long before Styx was added to the Sonic the Hedgehog entourage. Back then, the series was called Sonic X. Long. Here are the spikes that stick out the back of her upper body. One thing about cream and cheese, well, cream, she can fly. And, well, she's strong enough to be launched like a weapon and has the ability to fight back. But they're always there for each other. They're like family. I first saw Sonic X on 2015, and it was my favorite for that time. We got to see cream and cheese in action. That was kind of sweet. Sweet as Al Creme. There we are. There's cream. Now we're just going to draw cheese here. Cheese's alien race is known as Chow. They are peaceful beings that live on the home planet Sonic is from. And, well, they are peaceful beings that are related, that have a appreciation to chaos. You know, that, energy made out of water. I know it absorbs Chaos Emeralds, but to me, I think it's a it has a liquid absorbing body. Here are the wings on his back. Here's the feet. And there we are. That's how you draw cream and cheese from Sonic X. I wonder what other great adventures they have in store. Good night.